Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd. So reached out to a friend of mine the other day and to talk about this refinance that for months we've been talking about, sent him all these numbers, said this is why you need to do it, blah, blah, blah. And then he says this. Hey, what's up, dude? Sorry I never got back to you. I already know where this is going. My buddy works at .com, right? And ended up offering me a deal I couldn't pass up. I got a 2.3% on a 15-year refinance. Locked it down and closed last month. So of course, you know what I'm thinking. I'm like, yeah, I wonder how much money he got charged in points. Points is the origination fee. It's what you use to pay down your rate. Sometimes it makes sense when you're paying a very small percentage to get down 1/8% or 1/4%. But a lot of times it doesn't make sense. And I do the math for my clients. I'm an advisor. I'm not just an order taker or, just trying to sell someone on a rate. No, I want you to understand the rate and the long-term effects and the numbers behind it. So let's go back into this conversation. I mentioned all of that about points, and he says, oh, I see, yeah, I paid points for sure. Let me find it. So he goes into it, he starts sending it to me. He paid $8,400 in points, which is over 2% to get his rate down 0.375%. When I ran the numbers for him, it would take 6 years or so to start saving money. I showed him also that, look, if you wanted to do that with me, this is how many points it would have been back then. This is how many points it is now to get down to this rate. So anybody can get down to this rate. Let's say it's a 2.3 rate with a 2.45 APR. That would be with no points. If you added points, you're talking more like a 2.8% APR. Because those points add to your APR. That's what the APR is. I have other videos about APR if you want to see it. But let's see what his response was after we went back and forth for a while. Interesting. Damn it, Phil. I feel buyer's remorse. Like, no hard feelings, man. It's okay. He says, damn it, laugh out loud. My wife was hating having to pay 2 points. I just wanted to pay down the loan faster. He wanted to own it quicker. Plans to invest in real estate. It won't happen again. I'll definitely shop with you next time. That's the whole thing. Look, you don't have to stick with one company. You can shop. You could shop me. I'm okay with it because I know my rates. I know what I offer. I know my costs. I know what I am compared to others in the industry. And look, you're dealing with me, the owner of my company, not a salesperson and a branch manager and a regional manager and a corporate and no, it's not like that. Me, myself, and I have my office staff. They're getting paid no matter what. We have enough business coming in that I don't need to make it rich off of one loan. I don't need to charge all these points. Sometimes it makes sense, not always. But that's why I show you the numbers, I show you the differences, and then you decide for yourself. But I don't want you to have buyer's remorse. Phil Stevenson, Mortgage Nerd.